students, in chemical reaction we study one type of chemical reaction which is called combination reaction, and now we already studied about decomposition of reaction. Let's see another activity related to decomposition reaction. The activity is activity 1.6 to study the decomposition of lead nitrate. Here we take lead nitrate on heating. Let's see the procedure. Take 2 grams of lead nitrate powder, lead nitrate powder which is in white color. Take 2 grams of lead nitrate powder in boiling tube, or you called it boiling test tube. Hold boiling tube with tongs. In this activity we observed which colored gas is liberated. When we heat the powder of lead nitrate, one type of gas is liberated. We observe the color of gas and which type of gas is liberated. So write the observation for this reaction. Observation says us that the gas will be liberated is nitrogen dioxide. Which gas will be seen? The gas is nitrogen dioxide, and the color which is brown in color. When we take boiling test tube, heat on flame of burner, hold with tongs. Here we add 1 point, which is hold boiling tube with tongs, heat on the flame of burner, then observe the gas is liberated after heating lead nitrate. So the gas is liberated, it is nitrogen dioxide, and the color of lead nitrate is white, but the color of gas nitrogen dioxide, it is brown in color. We write the chemical equation for this processor. First of all, we write the molecular formula of lead nitrate. Lead nitrate means PbNO3 twice, which is in powder form. So we write here solid. After heating, so we write heat. It is converted into lead oxide, so we write PbO. The gas will be liberated is nitrogen dioxide. So this is oxide's physical state is small s. This is gas, physical state is small g, and oxygen also small g. You have to write the balance for this equation first of all with yourself. Here we put 2 to balance oxygen, and for balancing nitrogen and oxygen we need 4 before NO2, and then count all the atoms of each element. Pb and oxygen, Pb have 2, nitrogen have 2, 2, 4, here 2 and plus 2, and oxygen 3 multiplied 2, 6, plus 2, so it is 8, and then count the number of these reactions and balance for, and try to balance the chemical equation. Here the equation will be balanced. 2PbNO3 twice after heating gives 2PbO plus 4NO2 plus O2. Atoms of each elements are of products and substance are balanced. Give the name for that. PbNO3 twice means lead nitrate. PbO lead oxide. This is nitrogen dioxide and this one is oxygen. So the chemical equation for this activity is 2PbNO3 twice gives us 2PbO plus 4NO2 plus O2. This activity says the chemical equation for decomposition reaction. After study activity number 1.5, which is ferrous sulfate, and activity 1.6, lead nitrate powder, let's see the definition of decomposition reaction, an example for decomposition reaction. Let's see the definition and example of decomposition chemical reaction. First write question for it. Question is that what is meant by decomposition reaction? Give examples. What is meant by decomposition reaction? Give examples. First we write the definition of decomposition reaction, and after activity 1.5 and 1.6 we know simple thing is that one substance gives us one or more product. When heating one substance, it converted into one or more product. It is called decomposition reaction. Simple, right? A chemical reaction in which a single product on heating or on presence of the sunlight, either it is on heating or in the presence of sunlight, forms one or more products is called decomposition reaction. Let's clear decomposition reaction with examples. Examples are simple and we already learned in activity 1.5 and 1.6. Write the examples. And here we give first the example of ferrous sulfate we already study in activity 1.5. First example is ferrous sulfate, so we write FeSO4, which is ferrous sulfate. After heat it, ferric oxide and two gases, SO2, this is solid state, this also in solid state, two gases SO2 and SO3 also in gas form. Let's write ferrous sulfate, this one is ferric oxide, this is sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide. Let's see another example. The second example. Second example of decomposition reaction we already studied in this session, which is lead nitrate PbNO3 twice. After heat it, converted into lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. Here we put 2 before ferrous sulfate for balance the equation. Here we put 2 and 4 before NO2, physical state, solid, solid, gas, gas. Name for each substances and products. Lead nitrate, lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide, and this is oxygen. Let's take another example related to decomposition reaction, which is called CaCO3 when decomposition reaction takes place in presence of heat. It is also called thermal decomposition. When CaCO3 can get heating, it is converted into CaO plus H2O. CaO is solid, liquid, solid. Here we get carbon dioxide, so which is in gas form. Here we have 1 calcium, 1 carbon, 3 oxygen, 3 oxygen. This is balance, and this one is calcium, carbonate. This is calcium oxide. This is carbon dioxide. This reaction is already used in manufacture of cement. The third numbers reaction, which is used in manufacture of cement. Third numbers reaction, CaCO3 gives us CaO plus CO2, which is used in manufacture of cement. Here we have one word question. The question is that which product can be used to manufacture in cement or manufacture of cement? Which product is used to manufacture of cement? The product is calcium oxide, which is used in manufacture of cement. Manufacture of cement. Calcium oxide, also called quicklime. I repeat the question. Which compound or which substance is used for manufacture of cement? Write formula. You have write the answer for this is quicklime or calcium oxide is used to manufacture of cement. It is called CaO. Molecular formula of calcium oxide is CaO. So we have studied the decomposition reaction, one single product, one heating, single compound. You have to clear the world. You have to write instead of product, we write compound. Perfect. A chemical reaction in which a single compound on heating on presence of heating or presence of the sunlight forms more than one product is decomposition reaction. 3 example, 3 equations are already simple examples of decomposition reaction. Let's try to study another topic related to chemical reaction in next session.